Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Vic Thapar. Vic is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, Vic.
Thank you, Brad, for having me here.
Absolutely. So today we're talking about an issue that we hear every single day, which is taxes being too high. So obviously the first question is, do you think taxes are too high?
Absolutely, man. Taxes are too high.
Very well. So if taxes are too high, how are we going to address the issue? For instance, if you think that we need to increase revenue, where are we going to find the revenue?
Right.
If you think we're going to reduce costs, where are we going to find those cost reductions, and what are you going to cut?
Right. So, as we already mentioned, taxes are too high. I think every voter, and you, Sir Brad, you'll agree to this too. And I'll say, like every politician, whoever go for their campaigning, they'll say, "Oh man, I'm going to bring the taxes down." Have you ever seen coming it down? Have you ever, Brad, seen coming down?
No.
Never, right? It just keep going and going. So to answer your question, you mentioned that, okay, how can we increase the revenue? Definitely we can increase the revenue, man. Like bring more industry in the town. We can do it in two ways. A, support the industry which we already have in town and help the new industry to come in so that they come and put their business in here, and which will create obviously more jobs for the voters, and it will they have to pay the industrial taxes, which will definitely bring residential taxes down, right? And then to reduce the cost for the revenue, what I'll say is we need to budget our expenses, right? Right now, what I think our town is more reactionary rather than proactive. So if something has broken, they'll try to fix it that time, rather than spending a little bit at a time and budgeting our budget, which will, I definitely think, is going to reduce our revenue.
Or your costs.
Or the cost, yeah.
Okay, well, I think that's a very a proactive way to look at it, and certainly I'm glad that you came in here to speak to us about this issue.
Yeah.
I know the voters appreciate it, so
Thank
thanks
you.
again, Vic. And if you'd like to see some more videos or comments for what Vic has to say, please do take a look at the links below, and thanks for watching.
Thank you.